In a world filled with uncertainties, one thing remains constant: our concern for our health.
Sa gitna ng mga pagsubok, ang kalusugan ang ating pinakamahalagang kayamanan.
Research shows that the majority of Filipinos are concerned about their health and preventing illnesses.
Ang mga sakit na heart disease, stroke at hypertension ang iilan lamang sa mga major illnesses na laganap sa Pilipinas.
But amidst the worries, there's a beacon of hope. Introducing Vita Bella Pure Organic Barley Grass Juice.
Dito pumapasok ang Vita Bella Pure Organic Barley Grass Juice. Ang sagot sa ating daily health boost.
Packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants known to lower the risk of heart disease and cancer, Vita Bella Pure Organic Barley Grass Juice is here to uplift and empower you.
Sa bawat pack ng Vita Bella Pure Organic Barley Grass Juice, buhay ang kaligayahan at lakas. Vita Bella Pure Organic Barley Grass Juice, kasama mo sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat tagumpay.